In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Pandadoc file for a signature. We'll walk through the entire process from uploading your file to placing the signature field, all the way to sending it out for signing. Feel free to follow along in your own Pandadoc account as I go. First, on the left-hand side of your Pandadoc dashboard, look for the option that says New Document. Go ahead and click on that. This is how you start any new document that you want someone to review or sign. Next, you'll be prompted to choose what kind of document you want to create. In this case, select Select File. This option lets you upload an existing file from your computer, like a PDF or a Word document. Browse your folders, pick the file you want to send for signature, and confirm the upload. Give it a moment while Pandadoc processes the document. Once your file is uploaded, you'll move on to setting up the people who need to sign it. Look for the area that says Add Recipients. Here, you'll enter the email address of the person or people who will be signing the document. Make sure their email address is correct, because this is where Pandadoc will send the signature request. After you've added all your signers, click Continue to move on. Now you'll see your document in the editor. On the right-hand side of the screen, there's a panel with different types of fields you can add. Find the signature field and drag it onto the document. Place it exactly where you want the signer to sign, typically near the bottom of the page. You can resize or reposition the field if needed, and if you have multiple signers, you can assign each signature field to the correct person. When your signature fields are in place and everything looks good, click Review and Send. This is your chance to double-check the layout, the recipients, and the fields before sending anything out. You'll then be asked to enter a document name. Choose something clear and descriptive so you can easily find it later, then click Continue again. Next, you can type the email message that will be sent along with the document. This is what your signer will see in their inbox, so use it to explain what the document is and if there's anything specific you need them to do. Finally, when your message is ready, click Send Document. Pandadoc will email the signer with a link, and from there they can open the document and complete their signature.